You walk into a store, you have the receipt, you have the product, but you can't say the words, and the worker just stares at you. Today, you'll learn exactly what to say when you need to return something in an American store. Miss one phrase and you might walk out with store credit when you wanted your money back. Brian, have you ever had to return something?
Oh yeah, last week actually.
What happened?
Bought a shirt, got home, too small.
Perfect example. So first thing, you walk up to the counter. What do you say?
I need to give this back?
That works. But here's what Americans say most. Listen, I'd like to return this.
I'd like to return this.
Good. Not I want. We say I'd like. It's polite but direct.
Why not I want to return this?
You can say that, but I'd like sounds better. More polite. Try it.
I'd like to return this.
Perfect. Now they'll ask why. The reason. You need one sentence ready. Brian, why did you return that shirt?
It didn't fit.
Exactly. Short and clear. Other reasons. It's broken. It's the wrong color. I changed my mind. All good reasons.
What if I just don't like it?
Say, it's not what I expected, or this isn't right for me. Americans use these all the time.
Not what I expected. Got it.
Now here's the big question. Do you want money back or store credit?
What's store credit?
Store credit means you can't get cash. You get a card. You can only buy things at that store.
Oh, so not real money.
Right. Sometimes stores only give store credit, so you need to ask. Practice. Say, can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
Excellent. Say it again.
Can I get a refund?
Refund means money back. If they say no, they'll offer store credit or exchange.
What's exchange?
You trade for a different item, same price, like your shirt. Too small, you exchange for a bigger size.
Oh, okay, so I keep shopping.
Exactly. Now, the worker will ask for two things, your receipt and sometimes the card you paid with. Listen to this question. Do you have your receipt?
That's the paper, right?
Yes, the paper from when you bought it. If you don't have it, say, I don't have the receipt. Some stores say no receipt, no return.
That's annoying.
It is, but most stores look it up if you paid with a card. They'll say, let me look that up for you.
Okay, so bring the receipt, bring the card.
Yes, and one more thing. Tags. If it's clothing, keep the tags on.
The little paper thing.
Right, the price tag. Don't remove it. Stores won't take it back without tags.
Even if I didn't wear it?
Even then, they need proof it's new.
Man, so many rules.
I know, but here's good news. Most big stores in America have easy returns. 30 days, sometimes 90 days. Just ask, how many days do I have to return this?
How many days do I have to return this?
Perfect. Now, let's say everything goes well. They say yes, they process it. What do they say at the end?
Have a nice day?
Maybe, but about the money. Listen, you'll get your refund in 5 to 7 business days.
Business days?
Weekdays, Monday through Friday, not weekends. So if you return something Friday, you might wait a week.
That's slow.
It is. The money goes back to your card automatically. You don't do anything.
What if I paid cash?
They give you cash back right there, faster.
Okay, cash is better then.
For returns, yes. Now, what if they say no? They won't accept the return. What do you do?
Get mad?
You can ask for a manager. Say, can I speak to a manager, please? Stay calm, polite.
Can I speak to a manager, please?
Good. Managers sometimes make exceptions. Sometimes they can't, but it's worth asking.
What if the manager says no?
Then you're stuck. That's why you read the return policy before you buy.
Return policy?
The rules, usually printed on the receipt or on the store website. It says how many days, what items, what condition.
I never read that.
Most people don't, but you should. Saves problems later.
Okay, so I walk in, I say, I'd like to return this, I give my reason, I show my receipt, I ask for a refund, and I wait for my money.
Perfect. You've got it. One more thing. Be nice. Smile. The workers help you faster if you're kind.
Even if I'm annoyed?
Even then, they didn't make the rules, they just work there.
Fair point.
So that's returning a product in English. You're ready. Now, here's my question for you. Have you ever returned something in English? How did it go? Leave a comment. We read them all. And if this helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for listening.